Have you ever wondered how stress affects your body? It's like an unseen enemy, silently wreaking havoc on your health. Stress, in essence, is your body's response to pressure from a certain situation or event. It can be a job interview, an exam, or even just the hustle and bustle of everyday life. When we talk about stress, we often think of it as an emotional or mental burden. But did you know that it has a significant physical impact as well? Yes, you heard it right. Stress can stealthily infiltrate various systems of your body, from your central nervous system to your immune system. Imagine your body as a well-oiled machine, operating smoothly and efficiently. Now, imagine what happens when you throw a wrench into that machine. That's what stress does. It disrupts the harmony of your body's functions, leading to a multitude of health issues. Increased heart rate, breathing difficulties, high blood pressure, digestive problems, muscle tension, sexual dysfunction, and a weakened immune response. These are just some of the potential consequences of chronic stress. So, stress is not just a state of mind. It can trigger real physical changes in your body. Curious to know how? Stay with us. Now let's delve into the battlefield, your body. Here, stress fights against your central nervous system, endocrine system, respiratory system, and more. When stress first hits, your central nervous system springs into action. The fight or flight response is triggered, causing your heart rate to spike and your senses to become more alert. But if the stress doesn't let up, this system can become overwhelmed, leading to fatigue, depression, and anxiety. Next, let's move on to the endocrine system. This is your body's communication hub, sending out hormones to regulate your bodily functions. But under stress, it goes into overdrive, releasing a flood of stress hormones like cortisol and adrenaline. Over time, this can lead to weight gain, sleep problems, and even conditions like diabetes. Now, imagine trying to run a marathon while breathing through a straw. That's what stress can do to your respiratory system. It can cause rapid shallow breathing or even hyperventilation, making you feel short of breath. And for those with respiratory conditions like asthma or emphysema, stress can make symptoms even worse. But it doesn't stop there. Stress also takes a toll on your cardiovascular system. It raises your heart rate and blood pressure, and over time could lead to heart disease or stroke. And what about your digestive system? Well, stress can cause a whole host of problems there too, from heartburn and acid reflux to stomach ulcers and even irritable bowel syndrome. Your muscles are also targets of stress. They tense up to protect themselves from injury. But if the stress doesn't ease, they don't get the chance to relax, leading to aches, pains, and even chronic conditions like fibromyalgia. Not to mention, stress can interfere with your sexuality and reproductive systems, leading to problems like erectile dysfunction, irregular periods, or even infertility. And lastly, your immune system. Under stress, it's weakened, making you more susceptible to infections, colds, and other illnesses. There you have it, the inside story of how stress wages war on your body. Remember, managing stress is not just about feeling better mentally, it's a crucial part of maintaining your overall health. Now that you know the enemy, it's time to fight back. But how can you manage stress effectively? Well, there are several strategies you can employ. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, and sufficient sleep are the fundamentals. Incorporating relaxation techniques like meditation, deep breathing, or yoga into your routine can also be beneficial. And remember, it's okay to ask for help when you need it. Professional guidance from therapists or counselors can be invaluable. So equip yourself with knowledge and tools to manage stress. Your body will thank you for it. Like and subscribe for more informative and educational topics.